Hey guys, it's 1st of March and welcome to Davao Polytactical Trading Tagum branch, and it's me again, GPAT, and today I'm going to feature one of our most sellable airsoft rifle, the WE M4 Reese gas blowback rifle in the color of tan. And these are the inclusions of our set. We have the 30 rounds capacity magazine. We also have a tool wrench, a BB loader, and of course our WE M4 Reese gas blowback rifle in a color of tan. This is a full metal body construction and with a fire selector here at the right side. And of course, this has a detachable carrying handle and retractable butt with 6-inch standard Picatinny rail. And again, this is a full metal body construction with a fully adjustable rear sight. It has a weight of 3.5 kilograms and a length of 79 centimeter with a total length retracted butt of 87 centimeter. And now, this is our gas blowback magazine with a 30 rounds capacity. So, karon let's try to load and make ready para matest fire na ito ang atong gas blowback rifle. So, we will be using the free BB loader on the package, and this is how we load our gas blowback magazine for our GBB rifle. Because this is a gas blowback, we will be needing a gas for our GBB magazine. So finally, I guess we're all set. We're going to try the safe mode. Alright, safe mode is functional. And we also have to try the semi-auto and semi-auto firing. Alright, nice shot. And finally, we're going to try the full auto mode of this GBB rifle. Once again. Alright. And of course, we're going to measure the FPS of this gas blowback rifle. 387.3 once again for the FPS. For those interested, this is the M4 Reese gas blowback rifle in a color of tan, also available in the color of black, with a full metal body construction with 6-inch standard Picatinny rail, with detachable carrying handle and retractable butt, with a fully adjustable rear sight. Alright, once again, this is GPAT here at Davao Polytactical Trading Tagum branch. See you!